I'm going to reveal some amazing beauty tools that you probably haven't heard of yet, and trust me, they're game changers for your routine. These secret tools can take your beauty routine to the next level, making it more efficient and effective. Many of us are missing out on these tools simply because we're not aware of their existence or don't know where to find them. People often struggle with achieving the perfect look, using the same old products and techniques that don't quite deliver. This can lead to frustration and disappointment, causing us to feel like we're not doing enough or that we're failing at taking care of our skin and appearance. In reality, the problem might not be us, but the tools we're using. Outdated or less effective tools can hinder our progress and make it harder to achieve our beauty goals. Our beauty routines can be hindered by the lack of knowledge about the right tools to use. We might be using products that are not suited for our skin type or hair texture, which can lead to damage and other issues. This can be avoided by exploring new and innovative tools that are designed to address specific beauty concerns. By doing so, we can enhance our routines and achieve better results. The challenges we face in our beauty routines can be overwhelming, from finding the right products to dealing with skin concerns like acne or dryness. It's easy to get caught up in trying different products and techniques, only to be left feeling frustrated and defeated. However, by introducing new and effective tools into our routines, we can simplify the process and achieve the results we're looking for. There are many unique beauty tools out there that can take our routines to the next level. For instance, facial rollers can help increase blood flow and reduce puffiness, while gua sha tools can aid in lymphatic drainage and promote healthier skin. These tools might not be as well known as other beauty products, but they can have a significant impact on our overall appearance and well-being. One of the most exciting benefits of using these secret beauty tools is the potential for customization. Each tool can be tailored to address specific skin concerns or hair types, making it easier to achieve the perfect look. By incorporating these tools into our routines, we can say goodbye to one-size-fits-all products and hello to personalized beauty solutions. The benefits of using these unique beauty tools are numerous, from improved skin texture to enhanced makeup application. By using the right tools, we can unlock our full beauty potential and achieve the results we've always wanted. Whether it's reducing fine lines and wrinkles or achieving a flawless complexion, these tools can help us get there. I've had the chance to try out a revolutionary new tool that has completely transformed my beauty routine. It's a micro-needling device that helps stimulate collagen production and improve skin texture. I was blown away by the results, and I've noticed a significant reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. This tool has been a game changer for me, and I'm excited to share it with all of you. Using this micro-needling device has been incredibly easy, and the results are almost immediate. I've noticed an improvement in my skin's texture and tone, and I feel more confident than ever. This tool has also helped me to reduce the appearance of pores and achieve a more even complexion. I'm so impressed with the results, and I think you will be too. I've been using this device for a few weeks now, and I can honestly say that it's been a revelation. My skin looks and feels amazing, and I've received so many compliments from friends and family. This tool has been a total game changer for me, and I'm so excited to share it with all of you. I think it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their beauty routine to the next level. The results I've seen from using this micro-needling device have been truly astonishing. My skin is looking smoother and more radiant than ever, and I feel like I'm glowing from the inside out. I'm so grateful to have discovered this tool, and I think it could make a huge difference for all of you as well. Whether you're looking to reduce fine lines and wrinkles or achieve a more even complexion, this device is definitely worth trying. In conclusion, these secret beauty tools can have a huge impact on our beauty routines, making them more efficient and effective. By incorporating tools like facial rollers, gua sha, and micro-needling devices into our routines, we can achieve the results we're looking for and take our beauty to the next level. If you're interested in learning more about your favorite beauty tools or checking out some new ones, be sure to comment below and let me know. Don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some amazing beauty hacks and product reviews that you won't want to miss.